welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I will be doing this little Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. It came out really cute. Really cute, okay? We're having a little issues here with my little scar, but that's besides the point. It's besides the point, okay? Other than that, I look very cute. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, you already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Become part of the family. Rate this video and also leave me a comment and turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. We had a minor setback, so the lighting is probably going to change a lot throughout the video. I was gonna film 3 hours ago, but I've been talking to my best friend on the phone for 3 hours. So because I couldn't record earlier because I was on the phone with her, the sun already kind of went down. It's already like 5 p.m. So it's probably gonna get dark while me shooting this video. So just a heads up so you guys are aware of that. I already went ahead and did my brows, but we're gonna do a nice little Valentine's inspired look. I'm gonna do it pink. My preferred Valentine's look is going to be posted on Instagram, so that's why I'm doing pink looks, I guess, on here or whatever. But I just saw this super nice pink stunning eyeshadow. I don't remember who, unfortunately, but if I find a photo again, I'm gonna post it somewhere here or whatever. But I saw someone had like a nice bright matte pink eyeshadow and I was like, that is so fire. I'm gonna do my little version of it. So I have the Makeup Revolution New Neutrals, a blushed palette, which looks like this. It has a whole bunch of pink shades, purple shades, whatever. I specifically picked it up for this one. Okay, so basically I'm taking the Revolution Pro New Neutral Blush Palette and I am using the shade, and I'm just placing that like this on my eye. I'm going to take the shade Bloom. Okay, so then I'm going to take the Guide Beauty Gel Liner in black and I'm going to just line my eyes with this gel liner. Okay, so basically that's it for the eyes. I just did my liner and I put some lashes on. I already did my skincare and all that, so I'm just going to use the No Pore Blem Prime Essence from Touching Soul. You guys know I love this and I use this all the time. My skin is so smooth, you guys. I don't think you understand. Like, my skin has come a long way. Like, not only with the like the dark spots or acne scars or whatever, it's also like with the texture of my skin. Like, even when I break out, like I broke out here earlier, as you guys can see, like I have marks because I'm breaking out. Even if I'm breaking out, like my skin is so smooth. Like, I wish you guys could like touch my skin, but I don't like people touching my face. I'm going to take my OFRA concealer and I'm going to take a concealer brush. So I'm just going to place it right here. Okay, so basically I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to like blend out right here. And you guys, I lost my favorite beauty sponge, which was from Makeup Eraser. I was washing it and I put it like on top, like by the window to like dry or whatever, and it fell down. It fell down to the neighbors. So, and by the time I saw it, the cat had already ripped it apart, like the neighbor's cat. I'm back to using this one from e.l.f., which used to be my favorite, and I still very much so love it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to take, I found this and I wanted to use this again because I haven't used it in so long. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Like, this is so old. Like, who even uses that still? Me! Oh, this used to be a banger. Oh, that was a lot, Iandra. That was a lot. You did not need that much. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for a little bit, let it sit and like dry up. So then I'm going to go in with my foundation for the day, and this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade F13. So I'm gonna take that, and this is like, oh, I love this so much, this foundation. A little goes a long way, so we do not have to exaggerate. I'm going to use, this is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm going to use this to blend out my foundation. The lighting is so trash in this video. I hate it. I put on way more foundation than I wanted to, but honestly, what could I do? What could I possibly do? What could I possibly do? Okay, so now we're gonna go back into the eyes, and of course I got some concealer on my lashes because of course you would, Iandra. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer with my brush. So now that you look like a crazy lady, you're gonna keep looking like a crazy lady, and we're going to go in with the OFRA Cosmetics concealer wheel, corrector wheel. I always say the wrong name on this, but you guys know what I mean. Go with this. So I'm gonna take this brush, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade in the middle. I'm gonna use that as my contour shade, and I'm just going to put that right here. I'm gonna use, this is the Sigma Extreme Structure Contour Brush F04. I'm gonna take this to blend out my contour, and I'm tapping and then I'm swirling like upward motions type thing. And it doesn't matter if you feel like it's too high. The higher the contour, the higher the cheekbone, but you know, that's up to you. That's individual. So I think I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is an eyeshadow brush from an unknown brand because I don't remember where it's from, and it doesn't have a name. Oh yes, Kix Professional. Go in with your sponge. It's starting to get very, very dark. Like that. You blend out your concealer and your contour, or wherever they meet. I don't know if you guys can see how flawless that looks. Okay, so you go here, literally on your cheekbone. Like they should kind of like low-key blend or meet or whatever, like on your cheekbone. And what I like to do, I just take and I pinch my sponge, and I just go like this. Or you can use a brush. It's totally up to you, however you feel comfortable. Like that. And then we're missing this part right here. So then you're gonna pinch again. And you're gonna blend the concealer up all the way into your contour. Kind of like on top of your contour as well. So then I'm gonna take the Pixie blush. This is the On The Glow blush, and this is in the shade, I don't really remember. Let's just say Ruby. This is in the shade Ruby. It's like a dark pink. I'm just gonna go like this and like this. This was supposed to go before the contour, but honestly, it is what it is, okay? Don't really matter. So then I'm gonna take my brush for that, and I'm just going to blend that out real quick. And it doesn't matter that it got like on the concealer part right here, like we're gonna fix that. Like that's not gonna be noticeable. It's not gonna be an issue, basically. We're gonna take care of that right now. My face looks so lifted, wow. So then I'm gonna go in with the sponge without any product, and I'm gonna start on the inner part here, close to my nose. And I'm just gonna drag that product out where I just got some blush, and the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna take my powder, and what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna take these little sponges. These are like from the Dollar Tree, dollar store. And I'm gonna set my under eyes with this. And I like to pat and slide the product on, well, the powder. My face looks very, very matte. So I'm gonna just keep my powder right here, like next to me. I will be using another one, I think. I'm not sure. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna set my contour. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here as my contour. This is from the Pixie palette. I've used this before. Used this before my channel. So I'm gonna go in with this as a contour. I'm gonna use this as a bronzer. I'm gonna set my contour first. And I'm using this is my new favorite brush, you guys. Like, you have no idea. I want to use it for everything. This is the Sigma Chisel Cheek F776 brush. Take a little bit, tap it on. I'm literally just tapping that on right there. And I'm just taking a little bit, not too much, not too much. Like that. It's literally creating a nice little shadow, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is another one of my favorite new brushes, also from Sigma. I love this, but I need to get my nails done. Ew. I like this also for contour or for bronzer, kind of just depends. But I'm gonna use this brush right here. I'm gonna use this as my bronzer. I'm gonna go in with that. And I'm just gonna go right over here. So then I'm gonna take a little bit on my forehead as per usual. You guys know the forehead needs to be bronzed up, baby, bronzed up. My lace needs to be cleaned so bad. My face looks dumb cute. I'm going to go ahead with my brush and I'm gonna use this shade for my nose contour, and hopefully it's not too cool tone so it makes me look weird. That doesn't look bad at all. Wow. On this side of my nose, I have a little scar right here. So it makes it look kind of weird on that side, but that was very nice. I like that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to take that on a beauty sponge. Oh wow, I didn't even bother to shake that first. And I'm just going to put a little bit right here. And I'm going to take my powder brush. I'm going to take the powder and I'm going to, oh wow, I got powder all over me. And I'm going to set right here. The Sigma Disney Princess Cinderella collection. And I'm using the blush that's in here and also the highlighter that's in here. And for the blush, I'm just going to take my blush brush, if I can find it now, because where did I put it? I'm going to take a little bit because this blush is, yeah, like a little goes a long way. I honestly put this blush a little bit too far down today from my liking, but it'll just have to do. Then I'm going to take the highlighter that's in here. Same thing, a little goes a long way, and you don't want to go overboard. And I just put it right here. Oh my god, look at that. Do you guys see that? Is my camera focusing on that? Hold on. Ignore my lace. We're talking about the highlight and the blend, the shine. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Okay? Nothing else. Nothing else. So we're basically done. I'm just going to put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. And we're going to go ahead and do our lips. This situation on my nose just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. So, I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but just bear with me while I at least try to fix it, okay? For my lips, I'm going to line them with Chestnut from MAC. Okay, so for lip gloss, I'm just gonna go in with a clear gloss, and that is going to be the lip. This lip is stunning. I love it. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love this makeup look. This is such a nice little look. Like, it's like sexy, pinkish. It's giving, I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving, okay? Don't forget to rate this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Okay? Here we go.